Get excited. Ooh, that's cold. Get relaxed. You guys, get whatever you need to get. Because we're gonna show you how to turn an afternoon at home into a luxury spa experience.
Wow, yeah, I highly recommend you guys try these.
Where's the opening?
Hey guys, and welcome back to Clevver Style.
So given everything that is going on in the world today, you know what I'm talking about.
You know, the year 2020, which at this point seems like it was delivered to us from Satan himself.
Self-care has never been more important or on the forefront of all of our mind.
Not to mention the fact that we've never spent this much time alone in our houses, like, ever.
Ain't that right, Godric? Get excited. Get relaxed. Get whatever you need to get, because we're gonna show you how to turn an afternoon at home into a luxury spa experience. And by luxury, I mean everything is under $20 because my middle name is cheap.
So here we go with our tips for a luxury at-home spa day.
Today's video is brought to you by the new Biore Brightening Collection. Brighter skin in 1 week.
All right, but first things first, let's be real. We gotta get into our comfies because you cannot start a spa day in lace. It's just not gonna work for me. Here we go. So now we have to set the mood. And the best way to set the mood for a luxury at-home spa day is, say it with me, Netflix. Yeah, I know, hear me out, you guys. On Netflix, there's something called Moving Art. Obviously it's free if you have a Netflix account, and it is so peaceful, it's wonderful, it's lovely, so I'm gonna do just that. Put on the Moving Art and prepare to get zen. You guys. But you guys get the point. It is calming AF.
All right, now on to our spa products and tips. Meet you in the bathroom. Okay, so to kick things off, I'm gonna tell you about a new skincare product I am obsessed with. And that is Biore's new Brightening Jelly Cleanser for brighter skin. It's made with yuzu lemon, which is a natural source of vitamin C. 99% of the pores on our face could be clogged with dirt or oil and pollution, and that can lead to uneven skin tone and texture. So you massage this into your skin for 60 seconds to allow the technology to rinse away stubborn buildup in your pores. It works differently than other cleansers, so you don't have to scrub as hard or over cleanse, and then you just rinse it off for a full 30 seconds to wash it away. If my skin needs a boost, I will use this brightening clay mask once or twice a week. This little package has 4 to 5 masks in it and a resealable cap, which makes it a really good deal. Check out the entire Biore Brightening Collection for brighter skin in 1 week. It's also vegan friendly and cruelty free.
And now we will continue setting the mood by allowing our noses to experience their own type of luxury. These are all 100% natural essential oils from Pure Aroma, and there's actually quite a few scents to choose from. And it's really pretty packaging. I selected lemongrass just because I love the outdoors. And this little diffuser is so cute because it's got a little light too. I wish you guys could smell what I'm smelling.
So I am really into like hair care and shower stuff right now. You can get this eucalyptus like anywhere, farmer's market, grocery store. All I did was I tied some twine to it and hung it from my shower head. Like I've had this since yesterday and it already, like the whole house smells like eucalyptus, which is very spa-y. And it's very cute. Like visually, it's aesthetically pleasing for the eyes and the nose.
So this next product are these space candles. So I have it in sea minerals and bamboo. They smell amazing. Also this candle company, you guys, female owned, a small business, available on Etsy, and you know we love supporting small businesses, especially female owned businesses. So absolutely will be linking all of these products in the description box below, and that goes for everything in this video because we want you to experience what we're experiencing, seriously.
Another thing that I found on TikTok is this vibrating head massager. This is supposed to help with circulation in your scalp, which could help your hair regrow or just all the dry shampoo and all the bad stuff that happened to my scalp when I had extensions in. Hopefully this will reverse. It's a really good hack for luxury hair care. Most companies usually sell their luxury hair products in travel sizes, and you can get that. These are each under $20. Honestly, a little bit goes a long way. Oh my God, this feels so good.
Okay, now that the mood is set, it's time to get to the good stuff. Another thing I'm so obsessed with are these Biore brightening pore strips. They are the perfect way to instantly and safely remove blackheads at home in just 10 minutes. So I just need to wet my nose, slap this bad boy on there. Okay, can I just say, these smell literally amazing, okay? It's like a yummy, refreshing, citrusy smell, and it's everything. Plus they're so cute. They have little grapefruits on them. And now we wait.
Okay, next I have these exfoliating gloves. They are very reminiscent of like a Korean spa type experience. I've never used these before, so let's see how they work. It feels like a stranger's hand is giving me a massage. I'm wearing a glove. I can't feel my skin on my skin.
Okay, so while I wait, I'm going to move on to my next product, which I'm really excited about, you guys. It is this deep tissue massager, all right? I look like I could take over the world with this. Oh yeah, this is so good. Plus, it's also kind of fun. You get that alien voice, like, All
right, so I'm out of the shower. My hair is very wet. Do you know how there is like a hair towel, like microfiber? It's supposed to be better for you to dry your hair with. Well, they now make these like hair drying scrunchies. I don't really understand. They're not as big as I was expecting. They're like as big as Sinead's favorite scrunchie. I don't really understand how this is supposed to dry all my hair when it's just in my bun. But this is gonna be one dry bun. It's so big, it makes my hair look bigger. I like it.
That's why her hair is so big. It's full of secrets.
Okay, so it's been about 10 to 15 minutes, which means it's time to take this thing off. Here we go. Oh yeah. So satisfying. Wow, yeah. I highly recommend you guys try these. They instantly unclog pores, remove blackheads to improve skin tone and texture.
This is a facial ice roller. I've seen this around forever. Never actually tried one. I put this in my freezer for a little while. So let's see what all the fuss is about. Ooh, that's cold. Oh, get in there. You see this? It's very cold. My dog is licking his butt behind me right now. We're both having a spa day. So my thoughts on this ice roller are, it is very refreshing. I am a very hot and sweaty person. I don't really mention that often. I sweat so much. I'm a very, very hot, sweaty human because I sweat, so it's great.
What if I get sweat all over them?
It's not something I like to talk about. Is that what you want? Is that what you want me to do? I can do, two people can do that, Godric.
Next up, we have this Riddick hand mask. Okay, so these are ready. I just took them out of hot water, and as you can see, if it's red, it'd be too hot. Gray means it's good, but that's actually really cute and smart. I actually love these. They're so funny looking. They feel so weird, but they do feel very moisturizing. They're kind of loud too. All right, so all that's left is just massage any excess oil in, which might as well just put it all over my arms because it feels pretty good.
Another thing from Target is this lip scrubber. I also have a sugar lip scrub by Beauty Bakery, which is a Black-owned business. Wow. Ooh, okay. Holy crap. First of all, it tastes great. Second of all, my lips are so soft right now. So my lips don't have any more dead skin on them, but I really want to see what the peach one tastes like. I mean, smells like. It's like oh my God, this tastes like icing.
Okay, next up we're gonna do some nails. So we have a couple of awesome products here. All right, so from Blossom, we have this scented cuticle oil. Seriously, it's so cute. It's got like little roses in it. It's adorable. It's good stuff, good stuff. And then we have this little nail kit from Target, and it comes with all these little files, which is great. There's honestly so much of a difference that a good nail file can make. This kit from Target, I'm kind of obsessed with. I also like that they're dual-sided.
Now I have this cooling eye mask that I put in my fridge. It's like squishy. It has these little beads. I feel like a superhero.
So this is the Poppy. It says it's a patented at-home mani tool, and it is by Olive and June. I am literally just pushing the Poppy down on top of the bottle, and we shall see what happens. I do feel like I am doing a pretty good job just by using this thing. Is that possible? Is it science? What am I not understanding? So the real test would be using the Poppy with my non-dominant hand. Like, is that going to help? Because that's usually where I fail, right? Here we go. Wow, yeah, super cute, you guys. This is the real deal for sure.
Okay, so these gel socks are by Barefoot Scientist, which, spoiler alert, do you know who invented these? It is by Dana Ward, and she is the Clevver original. Oh my God, they're so soft. That feels really nice. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Holy crap. Yay!
Okay, so while these are drying, my last wonderful thing is a self-warming eye mask from Pop Mask, one of my favorite mask companies.
Okay, we got one more mask. What does it say? Glove style hand mask. I can't really see with this mask on. Where's the opening? Hear that? Can you hear how slimy that is? All right, well, I feel like Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse. I guess now there's nothing left to do but, you know, lay back.
And those are our products to give you the ultimate luxury at-home spa day. What are your guys' products that you go to relax, to zen out, you know?
Thanks again to Biore Skincare for sponsoring today's video. Try their new brightening collection for brighter skin in 1 week.